Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Chris, and Chris is here a little more than a year from his surgery here at Natural Transplants. Had an FUE procedure some years before, about a year or so before our procedure. Came in and we made some modifications to his hairline and just jam-packed it full of density. And I'm going to put his before pictures there. And you can see the difference between before and after in terms of the size of, he said his 5 head is not, it's a 4 head now, not a 5 head. Chris, tell us about how the year has been and tell us how it's affected your life.
I think that for me personally, 2020 is going to be a year everyone remembers. But for me, the silver lining was my hairline, incidentally.
Yeah.
It just changed my life completely turned around 360. And it's just overall my mental health, my physical health, everything was pretty much encompassed by this new hair, because you're a new person.
Yeah.
Your life changes completely.
Yeah.
You look in the mirror and you like what you see and you feel confident, and then you want to make changes to your body. You want to work out, you want to get slim. So I'm in the gym.
Nice.
I'm gonna have a 6-pack. The new girlfriend.
Yeah.
And it all has to do with the confidence level. I'll tell you what, I also got pictures taken professionally, and I uploaded them in my Indeed or my LinkedIn profile, and it makes a difference because I've been getting job offers left and right.
Awesome.
And it just makes you look more professional.
Yep.
Your confidence goes up, and that's most important. Is working on yourself.
Yeah, it gives you that edge. It gives you that edge in your love life, in your personal life, in your work life, in your career. I mean, it's just that one less thing to have to worry about. So happy for you, and it couldn't have happened to a nicer guy too. But let's just model your hair a little bit. I'm gonna have you turn to Fabio. Let's just have you turn to one side or another, left or right, and just kind of hold it there, right? Hold it there for a couple seconds and just look how much smaller his forehead is. And then just kind of slowly bring it around towards the front again. Awesome. And then let's see the other side. Yes, sir. Look how nice his hairline is now compared to before. He had these big recessions in these corners, which we modified and filled in. And if you would, just slightly tilt your head down if you would too. Perfect. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing, man. I am so happy for you. Are you happy you did it? Would you do it again?
This isn't my first rodeo, and I've done the FUE, I've done the FUT, and I wish I would have known about natural hair transplants before.
Yeah.
Because I would have done it way before. I definitely want to get another procedure done just to, fill in some gaps.
Yeah.
And everyone that asked me and that knows that the struggles I've had with hair loss, I recommend them right to you guys. And
awesome.
The best.
Awesome.
And they're right at home. You don't have to, a lot of people fly out overseas. A lot of people go to California, and you're right in our backyard if you live in Florida. And the best service. The Dr. H is amazing, and his staff just as nice as he is. I mean, made the experience so comfortable for you to it would be a no-brainer to get another one done again.
It's nice because you compared the FUE result with the strip result, and you can see a big difference, right? In terms of
the value.
Right.
My best friend did the FUT, and you see the difference because he still has like the doll hair kind of look. And antiquated, and I'm so happy.
Good,
I couldn't be
man.
happier.
I'm so happy, and thank you for paying it forward with this video. I guarantee you it's going to help somebody when they're making their decision. So
I really hope whoever watches this and sees the difference and sees the impact that they make the decision, and not for anyone, just for themselves, because you got to work on yourself.
Yeah. And full disclosure, we're not paying you to say this. This is a real testimonial. There's nothing in your hair.
I volunteered, and I'm a very private person, but if I could pay it forward, like you say, I feel like I did something.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you so much, Chris, and we will talk to you again.
Thanks, all right, Dr.
Okay, you got it.
Thanks a lot.
Take care. Yep. Bye. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.